Hey guys, welcome to Collection TV. Today I'm going to show you 7 racing tractors from Disney Pixar Cars 3. Here we have Rev N Go Racing Tractor and Shiny Wax Racing Tractor. Here we have Bumper Save Racing Tractor and Easy Idle Racing Tractor. These are Sputter Stop Racing Tractor and Zeen Racing Tractor. And the last one is Clutch Aid Racing Tractor. Rev N Go Racing Tractor was the first racing tractor to be released by Mattel, and on the back of the package you can see himself and the Shiny Wax Tractor. And here is the Shiny Wax Tractor. This was the second tractor to be released by Mattel. On the back, just the same thing as Rev N Go. Now here is Bumper Save Racing Tractor. This one is the single re-release from 2021. On the back of the package there are no new releases. Here is the Easy Idle Racing Tractor. And on the back of the package, no new releases. Sputter Stop Tractor is one of the more recent ones. And on the back, the only new release is Ducky Fauntleroy. Here is Zeen Racing Tractor, the second to most recent release. On the back, we can again see Ducky Fauntleroy. And lastly, here is the Clutch Aid Racing Tractor. On the back, you can see Hot Rod Louise Nash and Pam Wheelbarrow. Here are all 7 tractors out of the packages. Let's look at them one by one, starting with Rev N Go. He's sponsored by Team Rev N Go number 73, and it's a carburetor decongestant. The next one is the Shiny Wax Racing Tractor number 82. He has very nice detail. Next up, Bumper Save. He has the Bumper Save logo on the hood and the 90 and the rookie stripes on the top and back. Here's Easy Idle, number 15. He has more detail on his smokestack than the previous releases, and a nice expression. Here's Sputter Stop, number 92, with light year tires, and the smokestack is just like the Easy Idle one. Next up, here's Zeen, number 39, again with rookie stripes, all custom paint. And finally, we get to the Clutch Aid Racing Tractor, number 121, again with rookie stripes. This one looks a lot different. This is M Fast Fong, the Rev N Go racer replaced by a tractor in Cruz's imagination. And here is Conrad Camber, who becomes the Shiny Wax Tractor. Here's Paul Conrev in his regular form. This one is Harvey Rodcap, the regular next-gen Easy Idle racer. Here is Sheldon Shifter, number 92, Sputter Stop. This is Michael Rotor, the next-gen Zeen racer. And here is Noah Gocheck, the Clutch Aid racer from the next-gen lineup.
Howdy folks, watch me tip this tractor out here. Tractors is so dumb. Let's try another one. We gotta be real quiet in front of the Shiny Wax Tractor. I don't care who you are, that's funny right there. Buddy, did you see me tip them tractors? Buddy?
Oh, I saw you do it, Mater, but now it's my turn.
Oh, okay. Well, let's go.
All right, Mater, watch me do this.
Okay, buddy, I'll watch. That was so
Did
funny.
you see that,
But
Mater?
that was real loud. I sure hope. Oh, dear. I think that might be Frank. Run! Frank's gonna get you.
Alright YouTubers, thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and click on one of the videos on your screen to see more from Disney Pixar Cars.